Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Quora for bloggers. So first you have to create an account, you have to sign up, go to Quora.com and all you have to do is to enter your email address, your password, and you just have to tap login if you have your account already. If you don't have, you need to sign up first. Okay, so this is what Quora looks like. People go to Quora, a question and answer website, to find out information. Every piece of content on the website is user generated, which means it was written, updated, and arranged by website users. And here's the thing, other research tools lack some of the traits that Quora possesses. Users can build social networks and follow interest based subjects. This Quora emphasizes questions and responses of the highest caliber. Users can vote on the responses to highlight the most accurate information. And also, this one is for free or it is unpaid. Now, the tutorial is all about how to use Quora for bloggers and how useful it is for bloggers. As simple as if you want to ask or know something, you can just ask directly to Quora. And unlike other research tools or whatsoever, if you ask a question in Quora, real people or human will answer. So as you can see, if you're going to type something, Quora will suggest any related questions for that. For example, how to be a blogger. So we have here, I want to be a blogger. What should I do? So we have here, how do you become a professional blogger? This one is not for free. As you can see, if I'm going to tap this for continue, I can't see continue because I have to pay for it. That is what we call paid subscription. Okay, so let's go on to something or someone who will not let us pay for something. For example, this one. What should you do to become a successful blogger? So this person has tips and strategy on how to become a successful blogger. And all you have to do is to read. We have here read a lot, and then be an apple, think different. We have here invest in your blog. Okay, network outside, stop talking about yourself. So this person also is a blogger. And if you think that this person's answer is correct and good, you can tap this arrow up vote. That is what we call up vote. Okay, so we have also here how one become a blogger. Okay, and then if you don't see that question here, you can simply post a question if you want. Okay, for example, best topics for bloggers. You can click this add question and people will answer for that. Now, if you don't, and if you want to see topic related to this, you can just simply look for these questions and then tap. As you can see, Quora will provide you answers from real people. Okay, people from their experiences, not just an AI or whatsoever. Okay, so if you want to search also in the side, you can also go and search and use this magnifying glass or search icon. Okay, so what are the best sites for blogs? If you are really new to blogging or if you don't have any idea about blogs, you can simply ask Cora about it. What are the best sites? And of course, these people, this accurate answers, this 100% human will answer you with this question. Of course, from their experiences, from their own thinking, from their own ideas, as a blogger too. Okay, we're not relying or depending on any AI's answer. We are asking from people, real human beings. That's the advantage of Quora. Now we have here, they suggest about Namecheap. Okay, what else? Bluehost, network solutions. These are the domain that we can use if we wanted to start blogging. Okay, so where's the best place to get a domain name? You can also ask Quora about that. So, what are the benefits and advantages in using Quora? Of course, users of Quora can find answers to their questions in the site's question bank. In Quora, a single question might have many responses, okay, from different people, different experiences. Numerous views and upvotes are given to the top responses. For winnable authors, Quora is the ideal platform. The writers pick up the craft of writing through observation, experiences, study, and improvisation. So this is real, okay? This is real. And it's not just an ordinary research tool. Okay, now if you want to know about this WordPress, okay, why and when we should use WordPress, how do I use WordPress, why you should use WordPress, you can choose any of the questions here. By the way, WordPress is if you're looking to build a website, you should consider building it on WordPress. And there are tons of reasons why you should pick or choose WordPress. You can ask Cara about that. So if you search WordPress here, okay, we have here topic WordPress. Okay, let me tap this one. Okay, topic WordPress, WordPress plugins, WordPress themes, and so on. So let's choose this topic WordPress. And they have space in Quora with 700,000 plus followers. Okay, so all you have to do is to scroll here to see any topics and questions that is related to your question also. Okay, when you want to know more about WordPress, who wants WordPress, why you should pick WordPress. Okay, so um, why do you need to build a website on WordPress? What is the domain? How to build a site? How to get the domain? And yes, you can also ask Cora about what kind of WordPress SEO tips can give. I don't know much more about this SEO, but this is very important for bloggers. Okay. And you can see tons of ideas and words here and suggestions here from the people with successful experiences, successful journey in blogging. So as you can see, they will recommend also examples of best SEO friendly with its URLs. So all you have to do is to click this one, install. For example, this one, WordPress. They're suggesting WordPress, a site where you can build website. Okay, so all you have to do is to download and install. And of course, you have to pay and get a domain in order for you to continue. I don't know if there are free domains, but I'm not really sure about that. Maybe if there are free, then they will expire soon. So better that you will buy and get a domain. And you have to pay for that, of course. WordPress was originally designed as a blogging form or platform. Thus, it makes sense why it works so well for blogging. It's undoubtedly one of the simplest and quickest methods for creating and publishing blog content. You can control your material easily, edit it, and monitor comments. In addition, there are other plugins made specifically for blogging. For instance, you can use tons of plugin to make your blog entries more appealing to both users and search engines. And if you want to know more about it, you can simply go back to Quora and ask more about WordPress. As easy as that. Okay, so how can I get more traffic on a blog? You can also ask Quora about this one. And of course, tons of answers are here. And you can just simply ask more questions to these people. Okay, if you want to upvote, just click upvote. If you want to comment, if you want to share this one, everything is up to you. Okay, and then you can read and get sort or big information and ideas about from them. To get traffic to a blog is actually easy. You can just go to a forum and drop a link to your blog and talk about them and so on. So I do really hope that this somehow this video help you. It's not that really this is just so basic information about how useful Quora is for bloggers and for aspiring bloggers. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.